Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 50 Lite, and today I will show you how we can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, pull down your notification panel, and this will show you a bunch of toggles that you have accessible right here, and you should see somewhere in here your Do Not Disturb mode toggle, which for me is right over here. Now this is the default location of all the toggles, so hopefully you can find yours in the same location. So once you have located it, you want to hold the toggle, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Now before I actually start customizing anything, I will do one extra step just for myself, which is disable the airplane mode. There we go. So in here you will find your settings. You have obviously the toggle. We have a schedule, so you can set it up as a schedule, which if you're planning to use a schedule, make sure that it is enabled right here, like so, and you don't need to do anything extra. You don't need to turn it on in here or in here. The actual scheduled mode, once enabled here, will turn it on for you. Obviously, you can customize the schedule mode by tapping on it and selecting the days of the week, start and end time, and you can add new ones and so on. Now below that we also have interruptions, so we have interruptions for calls and messages, which allows you to select who can call you and message you, with the option being everyone, contacts, favorite contacts, or no one. And last option for only calls is the allow repeated callers, which means that when someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, that will completely bypass whatever you have selected right here and be able to reach you no problem, assuming they have fulfilled this requirement of calling twice within that time period. Anyway, once you went through all the settings right here, which isn't very many, and customize them to your liking, you can close this and never come back to it again, assuming you don't want to change anything. And when you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, simply tap on a toggle, select Enable, and it's now running. And like I mentioned, if you're using the scheduled route, the scheduled mode, you just need to make sure that it is enabled in the settings, the schedule itself, and that's about it. The scheduled mode will turn it on for you. Now, no matter if you're using a scheduled mode or a manual one, like I am, if you want to turn it off, you can simply tap on a toggle once again to make it gray, and this will turn it off. Obviously for scheduled, it does turn it off automatically as well, but that is for people that might want to end the Do Not Disturb mode before it's time. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.